Hey Feds, this question is about FEGLI, so let's talk a little FEGLI. The question is it true that you need a QLE or qualifying life event to change your FEGLI while you're working? Well, the answer is yes and no. It depends. What are you trying to do with it? If you're trying to drop it or reduce it, you don't need a QLE. You can do that at any time that you want. But if you want to increase it, yeah, you need a qualifying life event like birth, marriage, death, etc. Those are qualifying life events. By the way, retirement is not a qualifying life event, so you can't use that one. But yes, if you want to increase it, you do. Now, if you do want to increase it, you got to look at the cost of it, because every 5 years, the cost of FEGLI goes up. So if you're just adding more, you're just increasing the cost, and it may be an exorbitant amount. So just make sure the costs, the cost for your FEGLI is right and is good for you. Make sure that that's right. If you would, like, share, subscribe. Make sure you get more of these videos sent to you, and come join us for our workshop. See you soon.